this class, we will learn how to add two numbers using BlueJ. So again, let's create a new class and name it as add. Okay, so let's remove all this content. Now write public static void main string args. Now define a variable int a, b and c. This is we are declaring the variables. Now we can assign values to the variable such as a equals 10 and b equals 15. Now we can do a sum, that is c equals a plus b. Now we need to print it. So system dot out dot print ln c semicolon, and now let's compile this. So class compiled, no syntax errors. Now let's close this. Now void main string args. Now click on OK. So the answer we get is 25. So this is the program how to add two numbers in BlueJ. Thank you everyone.